A main thread throughout this semester has been the topic of progress, its fickle nature, its subjective qualities, but also its roots in humanity and equitable living. An inspiring aspect of progress is the hope that emanates out of a communal effort and where infinite value is created. Progress shifts our thinking beyond finite and singular objectives. True progress removes barriers and gives way for all ecosystems chances to thrive, shifting us from prioritizing a gross domestic product to instead a genuine progress indicator for evaluating our growth. I used to consider progress as an economic mechanism, a threshold defined by a number, most likely revenue or items produced, determined by a hierarchical power or force that demanded to be obeyed and adhered to. However, this type of progress is toxic. It demands unsustainable consumption, creates divisive thinking, and makes humans believe they're superior to all else. In turn, we create progress traps, scaling ideas to unsustainable heights and creating irreconcilable debts. But in our historic quest for more, instead of developing solutions, we have in turn created wicked problems. My understanding of progress has now stretched. It encompasses components beyond economic or statistical analysis. It is much more subjective and fluid. It moves, much like water, the flow of a river, the wave of a bay. Progression flows towards us, meets us at our present peak, and then keeps going, while also receding back because of the present forces and building to start the process all over again. Progress starts with evaluating the past and in developing a personal awareness beyond the self. We as humans need to seek out and form moments of stillness without distraction that can allow for personal reflection of the way things were. In progressing, one considers where equality has been broken and empathizes for those who have been impacted. We make room for grieving in the wounds of past ignorance and negligence as a form of communal understanding and healing. Progress pauses in the present. It allows for perspectives to be developed, for adaptation of thought and action. It makes us reevaluate profit for profit's sake, but instead makes us see things as circular and connected. Progress helps us build friendships, communicating with people who have different backgrounds and experiences from our own. Through travel, we can learn from others, checking our biases and widening our depth of understanding. Progress looks forward to the future by seeking out new educational opportunities, scheduling time to support and care for others, and by prioritizing connection over consumption. The hope we see in true progress can develop a connection beyond the human and physical aspects of our being, but also into our spirits.